Build a crypto portfolio from scratch. Welcome to the thrilling world of cryptocurrencies. If you've ever been intrigued by Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the thousands of digital currencies making waves, this guide is for you. In today's video, we'll take you step by step through everything you need to know to confidently build your first crypto portfolio from scratch. Whether you're looking to dip your toes into the crypto waters or go all in, this guide will give you the tools you'll need to succeed. So are you ready to transform curiosity into action? Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it's a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions. Unlike traditional money issued by governments, most cryptocurrencies operate on technology called blockchain, a decentralized system spread across many computers. Think of it as the future of money, free from restrictions and intermediaries. But don't worry, while terms like blockchain and decentralization can sound complex, you don't need to master the technical side right now to build your portfolio. All you need is a willingness to learn and take informed steps. Let's start our portfolio discussion with the big names in crypto. Bitcoin BTC, often referred to as digital gold, Bitcoin is the pioneer and most popular cryptocurrency. It's ideal for long-term investments due to its widespread adoption and historical value growth. Ethereum, ETH, known as the king of smart contracts, Ethereum goes beyond being just a currency. It powers decentralized apps, dApps, and has endless potential in the tech world. Altcoins. Once you're familiar with Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can explore thousands of other cryptocurrencies from Solana, SOL to Cardano, ADA, and beyond. These are riskier but often offer exciting growth opportunities. Now that you know the basics, you might be wondering why you should invest in cryptocurrency in the first place. The crypto market offers incredible opportunities, potentially massive returns, cutting-edge technology, and for many, a chance to hedge against traditional financial systems. Crypto empowers everyday people to invest in a revolutionary digital future. Exciting, right? However, crypto is also a volatile market. Prices can skyrocket or plummet within hours, which makes it risky. The best way to succeed? Educate yourself, stay calm, and stick to a plan. Exactly what we're doing in this video. Before putting your hard-earned money into crypto, outline your investment goals. Are you looking to build wealth in the long term? Make small short-term gains through trades? Experiment with new technology? Defining your purpose will guide your decisions. If you're a beginner, long-term holding in major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum is often a safer entry point. And one golden rule to remember: only invest what you can afford to lose. This market is exciting, but it's also unpredictable. Don't risk your rent or emergency savings. You don't have to be a wealthy investor to get started with crypto. Begin small, with an amount you're comfortable investing and learning from. Trying to go all in is one of the most common beginner mistakes because you're essentially gambling without a safety net. Starting small allows you to experiment, make mistakes, yes, they will happen, and refine your strategy without significant financial stress. Let's talk about an important principle: diversification. You've probably heard the phrase, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." The same applies to crypto. Because the market is volatile, investing in multiple assets helps spread the risk. If one asset fails or drops in value, others can balance your losses. A good beginner portfolio could look something like this. 70% in Bitcoin Ethereum, reliable long-term growth potential. 30% in altcoins, higher risk but with opportunities for huge gains. This balance helps stabilize your investment while giving you some exposure to the potentially lucrative but riskier altcoins. Investing in cryptocurrencies isn't about guessing or pure luck. It's about making informed choices. Good research is the foundation of building any portfolio. Read white papers. A white paper outlines the project's purpose, technology, and goals. For example, Bitcoin's white paper introduced the concept of peer-to-peer digital cash. Check the team behind the project. Look for experienced developers and advisors. Shady or anonymous teams should raise red flags. Monitor adoption and real-world use cases. Coins that solve real problems are more likely to succeed. Unfortunately, the crypto world has its fair share of scams. Avoid projects that promise unrealistic returns, lack transparency, or rely heavily on hype without delivering substance. When it comes to your budget, allocation is critical. Here's an easy rule to follow. Start with a clear breakdown for your investments. An example beginner-friendly allocation might be 50% Bitcoin, the most established and relatively stable choice. 30% Ethereum, has long-term growth potential through smart contract innovations. 20% altcoins like Solana or Polkadot, for higher risk and growth potential. Remember to rebalance your portfolio periodically, based on market performance and your evolving goals. To manage your crypto investments, you'll need the right tools. Here are the essentials. Wallets. Hot wallets. These are connected to the internet like mobile or exchange wallets and are convenient for quick transactions. However, they offer less security. Cold wallets. These include hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. They store your crypto offline, making them less vulnerable to hacks. Exchanges. Use reputable trading platforms such as Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken to buy and sell crypto. Be sure to choose platforms with strong security measures and easy-to-use interfaces for beginners. Portfolio tracking apps. Simplify your investment journey with apps like Blockfolio or CoinGecko to track performance in real time. No investment is risk-free, especially not in crypto. Managing risks well can make the difference between successful investing and stressful losses. Here are some rules to guide you. Stick to learning first. Always educate yourself before jumping into unfamiliar assets. Avoid emotional decisions. Don't buy when you're hyped up by trends, FOMO, or panic sell during market dips. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a fixed amount consistently over time, regardless of market price. This spreads your risk and reduces the impact of sudden price swings. Emergency funds. Keep separate funds for emergencies and avoid jeopardizing your financial stability. It's equally important to know what not to do. Here are 3 common pitfalls. Over-leveraging. Avoid borrowing money to invest in crypto. Leverage might sound appealing but can result in huge losses in volatile markets. FOMO. Fear of missing out. Don't rush into a coin just because it's trending. Always research before committing to any investment. Neglecting security. Secure your assets by enabling 2-factor authentication, using strong passwords, and storing your crypto in reliable wallets. By this point, you've got the tools, knowledge, and strategy to build your first crypto portfolio. But let's recap the steps to tie it all together. Start by setting clear investment goals and assessing how much you can afford to invest. Research major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and explore other promising altcoins within your comfort zone. Diversify your portfolio to balance risk and reward. Prioritize security and use trusted wallets and exchanges. Manage risks by avoiding emotional trades, sticking with a plan, and starting small. Continuously learn and fine-tune your portfolio over time. Cryptocurrency represents an exciting frontier brimming with opportunities, but like any investment, it requires informed decisions and patience. Building a portfolio from scratch might feel intimidating at first, but remember, every crypto expert was once a beginner, just like you. Take that first step today, and remember to stay curious, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. Your crypto journey is just beginning. Good luck, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow crypto enthusiasts. Let's grow together.